From grade 8. It gives me immense pleasure for being a part of CSAMUN. I was representing Australia in the UNESCO committee. Preparing for discussions, debates, and resolutions during CSAMUN was an amazing and enriching experience. This boosted my confidence that made me comfortable while working with new students and made me express myself easily. It enhanced my leadership and public speaking skills. I take this opportunity to thank all who worked for conducting this successful event in CS Academy and making it a remarkable experience. Thank you.
This is the delegate of USA from the ECOSOC committee. I'm here to share my views on CSAMUN as a whole. I would really like to appreciate all the efforts put into CSAMUN and all the efforts put into the training sessions and the presentations and the delegate guides. I feel like it would have really helped a lot of newcomers, considering that most of my committee was newcomers. In my first MUN, I had no clue what was going on, so this must have really helped them, and I would really like to thank everyone who made this MUN possible. It's been a great experience.